Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to make a tutorial. Let I make tutorial is a very long time. I forget when. Is I check in my YouTube. Wait a minute. Maybe oh, just 2 or 3 months. Oh, 1 week. 1 week later. 1 week ago. I make a holiday. My holiday is a new semester. With a new semester is 1 month. Yeah, 1 month. And if a tutorial English, I make in uh, maybe 2 months. 2 months is tutorial English. Okay. Now I want to make a tutorial like actually my video is just about a tutorial or explain or something. You can guess what the tutorial. Yeah, sure. Right. Adobe Premiere. Okay. Now in this my desktop, just in my desktop have an image, Photoshop and photo. And now I open the Adobe Premiere Pro. No, we are not make a project like Adobe Illustrator, but we are make about what name like easy project. And if you want something, I make the video just 15 minutes. Okay. No, I will just explain first. Explain what I use this and that is, and I can explain all of it, and we can search in Google. Okay. If we are open Adobe Premiere and the open is home and this is my project, but now we are make a new project, a new uh, tutorial one. Yes, and the location is from my pro document Adobe Premiere Pro. Is my location. General is uh, your location is not location in my home, but location my laptop. General is render is measured by tech engine CPU acceleration method. Is a recommended. And my Photoshop is the year is 2020. Celestics is same as project. I think all of it is same as project. In just like this, just like this. Okay, and video is time code, and display format is audio simple. Capture format is HTV, and we press OK, and it's loading. Wait a minute. If I like this, oh, it's open. Uh, my YouTube, I cannot open my YouTube in this video. Wait a minute for my Adobe Premiere. Where's my Adobe Premiere? Nah, okay. This my libraries. Okay, but yeah. Okay, the first I want to tell you is selection tool. What name? Select Dion tool. The Premiere for is okay. The servicing tool is allow you to perform basic selection and edit like can I think selection tool is a basic. I think I know it, but I explained that because uh, eh, because this video I want to make this 15 minutes. Oh, no, I want to make it, but I must make 15 minutes. Okay, the section to allow you to perform basic basic selection tool and edit. You can select specific edit point and perform sample trims. Select multiple clip and move them around within timeline from the track to track. Do you understand? No, me too. Okay, next is what name? Track select workflow. Track, track, track. I forgot. Oh, the track example is used to select all clips. Like I want just this clip or this clip. You can point to a particular track in the timeline. Okay, I think this video is an in 2 to 43 because I'm use alarm. I'm use no, it's not different phone. It's just same phone, but I wait. Okay, okay. What is this? What is this? Okay, okay. Ripple edit too. Okay, ripple edit tool in Android. The Adobe Premiere Ripple edit tool can be used to move edit point and the entire sequence of script that follow. This is examined when you want to short extend a specific clip and when you rush off your time and effect. Okay, you can understand. Okay, in Adobe Premiere, the ripple edit tool can be used to move an edit point and the entire sequence of clips that follow this X. Wait a minute. This extremely handy when you want to shorten or extend the specific clip and have the rest of your time and effect. You not make a papo pe. Don't make this if I typo. I hate this. You make that. Okay, we are next again. I think I cannot tell you all of this, but in the first in this video I want to tell you and is selection tool to type tool, and the next video I'm learning to library to is and this tool and like earning and use tool like this is very much in Adobe Premiere, and I cannot explain in 15 minutes because this is that duration. And if you see, my hair is long now. Last version, my hair is like cut or I don't know, I forget them. Because I'm not English people, I'm Indonesian people. And it's English project. Now I use English language. And okay, I wanna tell you about my story, but no, it's not about story. Okay, it's done. Okay. Oh, uh, uh, Razor. Nah. Razor, Razor tool. Actually, the other Premiere Razor tool, although you can use to split a clip in the timeline without altering the clip's position. The clip itself is unchanged. The each of the clip segments have no new in and output outpoints. You can find errors to in Premiere into panel or press the C key to select it or in MacBook is Command C to select it. Okay, now pa po pe pa pa po pe pa pa. We cannot sing. Okay, now it's flip talk. If you wanna know how fast I am, like this, like that is my first. If you wanna see, I think I make 3 minutes to show. I 1 minute to show you how fast I'm. I forget. The purpose of the sleep tool is let you simultaneously change the in and the out point of clip within your timeline. You can make such adjustment while leaving the time span between the point constant. Take for example a 10-second clip that you trim down to 5 seconds within your timeline. Now we are discussed. Now pen tool. Pen tool I think is now is 10 o'clock. No, almost 11 o'clock. Well, my home my parents go to my grandma house because my grandpa is that is I can say it. But okay, I'm sad that I can show my set in your video. And yes, there is pencil in the title which it used to draw shapes as in other Adobe products. Pencil is, you know pencil actually, yes, right? Pencil have in Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects. Pencil in anywhere is have the pencil. Now, that I agree. Many it's not what name? Not oh I forget all this video. Okay, next the video is what name Hantu. What just use handful to do a different art on of an image. Mm, use the hand tool to view a different area of an image. The hand tool once you move your image while you zoom into more than 100% and part of the image is out of view, select the hand tool H from the toolbar or press the hold spacebar key to temporarily switch out to the hand tool. I have my story, but I cannot tell you because may sensitive. Maybe I make is in second channel, but I can well, tell you about my second channel. Okay, now let is type tool. Okay, design a little. Okay, it's 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes. Okay, but maybe I just tell you about type tool and show how I pass the real. Design a title within Adobe Premiere Pro. After placing text directly in the program monitor using the type or vertical text tool, and you can add the background shape, the fine-tune the look of your layer graphic, and your master style to Apple, 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 Apple. I forget the name. I cannot speak that. Apple, Apple. I don't know. Title design or virtual project. Okay, now you are know what I tell about this Adobe Premiere Pro. Is this basic? Adobe Premiere Pro is very hard if you learn, and but in YouTube is very much tutorial, tutorial Adobe Premiere. It's very many, and but you must see my YouTube channel. Okay, now I want to show you how fast I'm like typing typing. Okay, I want to set like this and 1, 2, 3. It's just 1 minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, I can tell you. Uh, 227 is my way. Typing speed test. If you wanna typing speed test, I can give you a link. Oh no. My YouTube is no is okay. Maybe not. I don't know what is this. Not interesting. The technology is piano and is Niga Matapu and it's not dangerous on my YouTube, right? Right. Okay. Now I wanna closing my video. My name is Muhammad Faidali. Back to you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye, and don't forget like, subscribe, and share if you want. Like, okay. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.